Ka Jingïakhih jo ki Samla Pule NEHU kalayo jo ka jing karshanru da ki seng jo ki Samla Pule bape. Mata kasi ka seng jo ki Samla Pule da pot Nagaland ka Nagaland Students Union ru kelawan cawa NEHU ban ai ka jing karshan ya ka Jingïakhih jo ka NEHU su bat kamjuru ka KSU NEHU unit. Ka bagi nilam jo ka seng kilan pa ka tai ka jaka. Ai ka jing karshan bat kamjuru ban ai mesim ya ki Samla Pule ke plong ya ka Jingïakhih NEHU campus. Nalakan Nagaland Students Union akan dikasih lawan Shimataru berajang kershanru dan ki Samla Pule ni ki college kentup ru ya ki Samla Pule jika Kiang Nangbah college apa kalama jika Kiang Nangbah Government College Students Union hak balon mikmat dari presiden jika seng mat kumjur ki katungan ngot ki dekat jika seng ini ke union dan Kiang Nangbah College juai.
Kedai kan afi sebab latam, iwan laga Kiang Nangbah Government College Student Union, kedai kan Presiden jangka Kiang Nangbah Government College Student Union. Dan mah iwan hang ni ban ai kecing support dan kita ki mah ki NEHU Student Union laga KSU Kasih Student Union. Kini ban ai jing kersyan ki bagi ka movement ke jangki ban ai ki kecing support. Beta kini mah ke ngaruh ngakot ber ya ki affiliate college na berok ki college ki affiliate dengan NEHU ngakot tepat ki bikin ban men support ya ki NEHU su ya ki KSU laba ke jingjop ke jongki ini ke jingjop ke jongki movement ke jongki ke dei ke jingjop jongki berok ki college yang ini lada up hi visi ya ki jingdowa yang ki pura yang ki NEHU student union ki KSU ini yang ia percaya beti dia nyerap mandin bagi haduk wada resign ya vice chancellor or registrar ini.
Kumjuru ki Samla Pule jaka Synod College kilaya ke kejat Nadu College jayau. Sadu NEHU mani ai ka jingkarshan ki Samla Pule ke bla planga Jingïakhih NEHU campus mentala shitayo.
So, as the president of the Students' Council, my name is Melvin and we are from Synod College Master's Program and affiliated to NEHU. So we stand firm in our support for the demands of the NEHU and the KSU NEHU unit. And we believe that the removal of the registrar and the deputy registrar is necessary to restore trust in the administration and uphold the values that this university was built on. And we also urge the central government to take immediate look into the matter and try to resolve this issue at the earliest, since it's a matter concerning not just the well-being of the students but also the overall functioning of this university. And this process here is also a direct message to the VC that we as the students, we stand together and we will not back down until our demands are met. Kawai concern jungi kadai limba kini ki kejing delay jung kini ki results kaba nilap kaba Jingïakhih mo kaba bu inge Jingïakhih kamtam ki babun kini ki depend na ka scholarship tirangi delay ki exams ki delay kini ka mark sheet Jingïakhih ki babun tu ki ban apply te hoi ki ladan ka Jingïakhih nang ni nanti but hoi ka along successful ru bagi la extend ya kini ka scholarship but ni long hang ni ka por dia support ya ka ki jing thmu jong ka NEHU bat ka KSU unit.